Hello friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw a super cute house made of logs. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Take your black marker and first draw a big triangle roof on the top. Great! Now draw a big rectangle under the roof to make the house wall. Now let's draw the ground floor. Add small circles on both sides of the wall to make it look like it's made of logs. Doesn't that look fun? Time to draw the door. Draw a rectangle in the middle for the door. Nice job!
La da 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 dee.
Now let's make a chimney on the roof. And from the chimney,
Yay!
draw some fluffy smoke clouds coming out. So cool! Finally, let's draw two big trees, one on the left side and one on the right side of the house. Perfect! Nice job, everyone! Our house drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Here are the color pens. We will use rainbow colors today. Let's color together. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Our house looks so colorful and beautiful. Great job, friends! You did amazing today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.